Hey everybody, just a quick little video of tire size stuff that worked for me for my Sprinter. So I was able to go to 265, 70, 17 on a set of methods. I didn't go to 75 because in my research I found that was kind of an odd tire size. So if I ever had tire problems in the future, maybe it'd be a little bit harder to get a 275. So 265 fits in the wheel wells really good. The rear tire looks perfect with the mud flap clearance, everything. Up front, I did do the terrawagen mondo fender kit. For me, I thought that was kind of my best option. I know there's other options out there. I did really like the way it went together with no cutting, with more just bending sheet metal. And I think it looks pretty good. So that is what I did. Hopefully that helps some of the questions, because I know it is a lot of research to find what tire works for everybody. My adaptive cruise control still works. Did I lose any fuel economy? Maybe a half mile a gallon, but I don't know. I think that's still kind of a discussion. And it drives like it did before, and it looks way better.